What's up, gang? Doing a little update. Flared out my wheel well, but I kind of hate it. But it works. And then this is how much I had to cut out the inner wheel well to get the tire not to hit. This piece. I got to trim off still. And I still got to trim a little more off the back here. But I'm going to remake this. I'll probably do like a steel frame through here, another steel frame, rubber flap, and do this out of some rigid plastic. Put it across the top. And then I still have just enough room for the windshield washer. And then this bottom bolt that got cut out from the windshield washer, I'm going to use the tab and hold this wire up. And that's the whole headlight wiring. And I still have to do the other side. But yeah, these, I should have just got smaller tires. These tires rub like crazy. But I like it. I like the low stance. I flared them out that far so when the wheels turned, it still fits. And I just got to clean it up and put my special sealant on it. Some terrible drift welds. I figured I'd owe you guys a little update after we did the drop spindles. And it all looks good. It drives really nice. It's not ill-tempered. There's no wheel alignment issues. It seems like it drives really good. But when I go over whoop-de-doos or humps, it was bottoming out in the wheel well. It was like slamming on the brakes. So, and then when I got back, I went to feel around in here to see where it was touching, and it was red hot. So it was really heating up. But I'll keep you updated. More to come. I'm building the custom inner wheel well tubs. But it looks good. I like the stance. That's the 5.7 drop. But I got these huge tires, and that's the problem. But she's looking pretty sick. Look how low that spoiler got to the ground. Oh, I'm loving it. Alright, I'm going to keep you guys up to date. Thanks for watching. Bye.